what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
Hey my beautiful people, Miss Nazlin, and I'm back again with an amazing new video for you my people kama kawaida, and I'm so happy to share today's video because it's interesting. Little cleaning and much cooking, and yeah, I'm so happy to share because you're gonna take some tips from this video. I know you're gonna take some tips because cooking manze, nimekuja na cooking na some ideas, yeah, lunch ideas, breakfast ideas, supper ideas, yeah, and I'm so happy to share with you. So kindly subscribe if you haven't already, share my video, a like and comment down below. Yeah, I will truly appreciate your efforts as always. So relax and enjoy. So let's start our day, and it's in the morning, and I'm making breakfast. And for today's breakfast, I'm gonna go with French toast. And for the ingredients, I'm using sugar, egg, cinnamon powder, some milk. And for sugar, you can always add small amount of sugar. Then you can also add a pinch of salt if you love, but as for me, I only went with sugar. So make sure you have the good mixture, and yeah, later on dip your bread. So watch what I'm exactly doing, and I'm hoping that you take some tips from this video. Enjoy. Okay, heat your pan on low heat and sprinkle some cooking oil to avoid your bread from sticking, and give it time to cook on the one side before you go ahead and flip the other side. Breakfast done. I really enjoyed this. It really slapped.
what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid, then you know it's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you.
For supper I cooked ugali, saga and meat. Nakwambia ilidonjo. So in my saga nilieka maziwa, alafu kwa nyama yangu nika like ilikuwa tu nika wet fry, and yeah, I was cooking ugali there. I really enjoyed my meal. You can't wait for the results. Just relax. Yeah? Stay tuned. Okay, let me take this opportunity to thank all of you for stopping by the Premier Gang. Thank you so much. For the returnees, thank you so much. And I truly appreciate your efforts. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for liking. Thank you for dropping me a sweet comment. I truly appreciate. Until on my next one, I will see you all very soon.